What's up YouTube? This is my 2012 G37 Coupe Sport, and today we will be replacing the AC blower motor. So if one day you decide to turn on your AC because it is hotter than a jalapeno's armpits and you feel nothing blowing out those air vents just like I did, then this video is for you. Tools needed for today is one Phillips head screwdriver. Mine's is slightly bent, but it's your preference. First thing you want to do is go to your passenger side glove compartment. Look under it. There should be a plastic cover, as I'm showing you. And to take this off, it's really simple. It's 3 tabs, but if you pull just like I did, you should be fine. Once you are under the glove compartment and remove the cover, you will have easy access to the AC blower motor. And to take it off, it is really simple. It is just 3 screws, one on top next to the connector, one on the bottom, and one to the side. Now that you're all cut up, let's get to work.
Switch it up.
The last thing you want to do is go to the driver's side. Go underneath your steering wheel to the left by the emergency brake. There is a panel of fuses, and in most cases when your blower motor short circuits and completely fails on you, that means that your blower fuses have burnt out. As I'm showing you right here, I will show you exactly on the diagram that Infinity generously provided where they are located. Let's get it. Once you are done replacing the fuses, hop back in the car and turn it on. Once you turn it on, turn on the AC. At first, just like me, you're a little nervous about the situation, but I can guarantee you, if you follow those previous steps that I have directed you guys with, you will feel as relieved as I did right here, because I was in almost 100-degree weather and it finally worked. I also tried to grab a little receipt to show that I have airflow now, as in the previous beginning of the video I did not have no airflow. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.